Welcome back to Kyffin's vlog.
Yeah. Ow!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just rushing to get ready for my appointment now, but we will be doing a photo shoot after. Let me explain. Now today we are doing a clothing photo shoot, but it may not be the clothing that you are expecting. It's arguably, in my opinion, probably some of the most difficult pieces of clothing to actually capture on camera and make them look good, as well as not taking focus away from the rest of the photo. Okay, I've only got like 15 minutes to be there, so I'm in a big rush. I'll only have a chance to eat an apple and then we gotta go. Okay, let's get on the road. Okay, all the parking spots in my usual car park are completely full, and now we've got like 3 minutes to get there, so we're gonna run. We made it. Good, so this is the software that runs the practice, so I'm just gonna leave your... Forgot how jarring all the lights are in there. All the lights like in your eye just... So he gave me like a napkin to hold on to like if my eyes got watery, and I literally destroyed it. I was clenching on it so hard the entire time because like, So I just did some scouting around the park for some possible locations that we could use for the shoots, and they're gonna be here really soon, so I think it's just time to wait.
The person you are calling is not available.
I'm done. I'm waiting for you. Yee. So I want to get some of the sock photos done around here, around this park, because I think it'll look really nice with like the nature vibe, you know, nice greens, stuff like that. I feel like Casey Neistat. But the problem with sock photos, what makes them so hard, it's not like a shirt where you can just get a nice mid shot of the model with his or her face in it and get the product in. They're socks, so you have to get the feet in. So I used Nathan, you guys know Nathan, I used him as one of our models, and then I also had Sacha, which is Nathan's girlfriend, as one of our models as well.
Stop complaining.
No.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye, thank you. Well, that was a pretty successful photo shoot in my opinion. But we managed to get some really cool photos that show off the socks and that are really nice and sharp and crisp, have a nice background. So I think that works really well. Because especially with like product photography and anything that involves something like a shirt or like pants that you have to target as the main focus of the photo, it always makes it a lot more difficult to get the angles and stuff to make the photo look interesting. I'm getting so freaking hot sitting in this car, so I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Oh shit.